Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you ready to activate your Spectrum Mobile eSIM? In this video, I will walk you through the setup process so that you can start using your phone in just a few minutes. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to first of all make sure that your device is unlocked, and it should also be compatible with eSIM. Now once you have it, you just have to simply launch your Spectrum application on your phone. Then inside it, you just have to simply follow the prompts in order to activate your mobile line. When prompted, simply choose the option of installing the Spectrum Mobile eSIM, and your phone will automatically download and install the eSIM profile. Once the installation is completed, you just have to tap on the option of continue and wait for your device until it connects to the Spectrum mobile network. You are going to see the networks over here on the top. After the activation is completed, you can just simply set the Spectrum eSIM as your preferred line for your mobile data. And you can also make a quick test calls and open the web pages in order to confirm that everything is working properly. If your service doesn't start immediately, make sure that you restart your phone and allow a few more minutes for the network to basically finish provisioning your line. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.